Good morning, children. Today in EVS, we are going to continue with Chapter 8 Days to Celebrate. Children, we have already studied about how do we celebrate different days. We celebrate our birthdays, wedding, anniversaries, isn't it? And we even celebrate different kinds of festivals. Okay, and there are two kinds of festivals. The first one is the religious festivals. Okay, that is Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas. Okay, all these are religious festivals. And then we have the other type of festival, that is national festivals. Okay, children, that is Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, these national festivals, all all the country, all the people, they celebrate. The whole nation celebrates it. Okay, now first we'll just give a revision to what we have done, children. In national festivals, we have done Independence Day. Okay, children, Independence Day, you know, it is celebrated on 15th August, isn't it? And on this day, India had become free and became a independent country. And children, every year, the Prime Minister of our country, he hoists national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. Okay, children. Then next is Republic Day. Republic Day, children, you know, we celebrate it on 26th January, isn't it? On this day, India had become republic. Now, children, republic, it means that country got its constitution. Constitution, what is constitution? There are certain rules, okay, which are made for the smooth running of the country. They have to follow certain rules, okay. Now, on this day also, and the national flag is hoisted at all public places, okay, offices, schools on this day. And a parade is held in Delhi at the Rajpath. Okay, children. Now the next one is next national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. That is, we celebrate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, on 2nd October. Okay, so this day is also celebrated as a national festivals. After that, children, we had done religious festivals. Religious festivals, first in religious festivals, we had done Diwali. Children, you all know Diwali is the festival of lights, isn't it? And on this day, Lord Rama had returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Okay. And on this day, children, they love to wear new clothes. They like to burst crackers, isn't it? Then we had done our next religious festival, that is Dashera. Okay, children. Now, Dashera also, children, on this day they celebrate, this is a Hindu festival, and they celebrate the victory of good over evil. Okay, good over evil. And they burn the effigies of Raman, Kumkaran, Meghnad. They all are burnt, okay, on this day, and this signifies the victory of good over evil. Okay, children. Then next we had done, children, Eid. Eid Fitr. This is this is a religious festival celebrated by the Muslims, and they celebrate it after the end when it and end of the holy month of Ramzan. That is, they fast for 1 month, and then they, when the 1 month is end, fasting of 1 month is end, then they celebrate Eid. Okay, they pray, namaz are offered in mosque. They go and pray in the mosque. Okay, children. and the special feast with Sivaya is served for all the friends and family. Okay, children. So they celebrate Eid al-Fitr, and another festival which is celebrated by the Muslim is Bakra Eid. Okay, on this day they sacrifice a goat on this day. Okay, children. Next is Guru Purab. Okay, here children, this Guru Purab is celebrated by the Sikh people. Okay, and the Sikhs, they celebrate the birth of the Sikh Gurus as Guru Purab. Okay, they celebrate the birthday of their gurus, and procession is taken out on this day. Prayers are offered in Gurudwara, isn't it? Kirtan is sung, and a special meal called langar is served to all. Okay, children. Next is Christmas. Okay, children. Now on 25th of December every year, Christian people, they celebrate Christmas as the birth of Jesus Christ. And children, you also know in school also every year we have Christmas party, isn't it? Now, people attend midnight mass in the church and sing carols. Okay, children? They could go to the church in the night and they sing carols. And then it is believed that on this day Santa Claus, he gives us gifts. He gives gifts to the children. And Easter is also celebrated by the Christians. Now, children, today we will be doing this new topic, that is some other festival. Apart from all these festivals, there are other festivals which are also celebrated. Okay, children? Now, Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. It celebrates the arrival of spring season. Children, you know Holi, it is a festival of colors, isn't it? You all play Holi, isn't it? Now, the next one is Goddess Durga is worshipped on Durga Puja. Children, on Durga Puja, Goddess Durga is worshipped. Okay, they have 8 days puja, and then they celebrate this Durga Puja. Okay, children. Next is Janmashtami. Janmashtami celebrates the birth of Lord Krishna. Okay, children, they celebrate birth of Lord Krishna on this day, and this festival is called Janmashtami. Next is Pongal, is the harvest festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Farmers thank the Lord for bountiful harvest. Children, this Pongal festival, it is celebrated as the harvest festival. Harvest festival, children, is when they cut the crops, and when very good this they get very good crops. That time they thank the Lord. Okay, so they celebrate Pongal that day. Then Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan celebrates the love between a brother and sister. On this day, sisters tie Rakhi on their brother's wrist. Children, you all know Raksha Bandhan. You all celebrate Raksha Bandhan, isn't it? And on this day, the brothers, they promise the sisters that they will protect them. Okay? And then when the sister, she ties Rakhi to the brother, then the brothers, they give them gifts also, isn't it? Now the next one is Tej. Tej celebrates the arrival of monsoon season. Now children, we have done national festivals, we have done religious festivals, and we have done some other festivals. So children, please do the reading again and again, and if you have any problem, you can always ask your teacher. Okay, children? And now you do the work which is given in the PDF. Thank you.